Okay, I think you can get him now. Get him. Get him. Get him. All right. Yeah, we got us a nice slot red.
It only took 30 minutes, but we got his ass.
Yeah, we got him. All right, Charles. That'll work. I'm Capt.C.C.Corey. Come with me and experience some of the most action-packed and adrenaline-filled fishing that North and Northeast Florida has to offer. We fish for everything from huge bass in freshwater to monster tarpon in saltwater, and everything in between. If you like seeing awesome jumps, if you like the sound of a screaming drag, shit, gosh, man, if you like seeing big fish, well, you just might have found your channel. So sit back, relax if you can, and let's see what we can hook into today with the North Florida Angler. It's low tide, man. I gotta see if it's coming in or going out.
Real low.
Yeah.
How far are we going?
We're gonna be fishing, I don't know yet. I haven't really decided yet. Hey guys, C.C.Corey here, the North Florida Angler, and
Hook 'em in the mouth kayak fishing.
Well guys, the dynamic duo is back in the saddle again. Isn't that right, Charles?
That's right, we're back.
Yeah, we haven't fished in a while, so we finally got together. He's got a couple days off from work, and we're out here. We're going to be fishing the salt today. Now, I've been going out by myself a couple trips here, and I've been doing good on redfish, trout, and flounder. Mainly on the redfish. The redfish have been biting really good back in the creeks and also in the main ICW and the flats and stuff. I've been catching them on artificial, and I've been catching them using a jig with a live shrimp rigged Texas style. But it's been pretty good fishing. But anyway, we're at our first spot here. The tide isn't quite right yet. We're waiting for the tide to kind of go out a little bit more, and then we're going to start fishing. We're going to start off with the jig and shrimp. That's what I'm going to start off with. How about you?
That sounds good. I think I'm going to do the same as well.
Yeah, but anyway, last time I was in here, we did pretty good. So hopefully I didn't jinx us by saying that. So anyway, guys, hopefully the next time y'all see us, one of us is going to be hooked up with something big. Does that sound good to you?
That sounds great.
All right, guys. We're going to rig up our rods, and then we're going to get to fishing. So we'll see y'all in a little bit. What you got there, man? Well, you got you a little flat guy.
On the DOA.
All right, way to go, man.
Yeah. Hey, I ain't even gonna lie. Y'all should have seen when I set the hook on him. His ass came flying up out of there.
Yeah. All right, Charles.
Well, we got the
first
skunk
fish of the day.
There he is.
Yeah. Let's see how long he is. Come up here and measure him. Charles. Measure him on the thing up here. Well, actually, I'll bring this to you here. I don't think he's 14 inches. I'm still curious to see how bit long he is.
It's the wrong side.
All right, Charles. Let's measure him right there and see what he is.
All right, y'all. We're gonna measure this guy up.
He looks like he's 12 inches.
He's not, this guy he ain't a keeper, but you know what? We got the
First
skunk
fish
out
of the day, yeah.
First fish of the day.
Yeah.
And like I said, you should have seen when I pulled his ass out. He flew out there like he was a damn, was an eagle ray.
You got him. All right, Charles. Chug him back. All right, way to go, man. Way to first fish of the day.
Out.
Yeah. See them little minnows jumping up there by the bank? Something was definitely chasing them. All right, got something here. What do I got here? Got me a little sea trout right here by the boat. Yeah. I got him. Boat flipped him. I don't think he's going to be a legal fish, although we ain't keeping anything. I mean, unless you want to keep something, but I don't think this one's going to make it. Yeah. Let's see how long he is. And I think he's going to be probably about 13, 14 inches. And he is 13 and a half inches. Whoa.
They gotta be 14?
15. A little 13 and a half inch sea trout, guys. Yeah, they're a pretty fish. Yeah, we're after a lot bigger fish than that. But, let me chunk him back. Did you have a bite?
Yeah, as I was watching. She was going to probably should have.
Charles has got something.
Kind of feels like a flounder.
Yeah, you're right. Got you a flounder. Got a flat guy.
Get your ass.
All right, Charles. Another little undersized flounder.
Yeah, we've been catching the hell out of these undersized guys.
Yeah. Got him? Okay, let's put him on there and see. I think he's going to be about 12 inches, so probably. Yep, a little over 12 inches.
And some change.
Yeah. All right, there's another flat guy.
Right here. Bam.
All right, Charles got a flat guy.
We got us a nice little flat dude right here.
Yeah. Not quite big enough to keep, although we're not keeping anything today. We're just having fun, but that's like a little, he was a little over 12 inches.
Yeah, he's a flat dude.
Yeah.
One little tip, guys. One thing I've noticed, if you squeeze them jokers right there like that, they won't move at all. Big ones, small ones.
Paralyzes them.
Yeah. It just keeps them right where they need to be. But there we go. They got some nice teeth. And we hooked this flat ass in the mouth.
You sure did. Throw him back, Charles. All right.
I knew what he was. He was a little flat guy. I'm on the boat with CC, and we hook him in the mouth. Now holla at your boys.
All right, guys, hooked up with something here. Might be another small redfish. Yep, called it, didn't I? A little drag strippage there from it. This one's fighting a little bit.
Got some fight to him.
Yeah. Can't tell him he's small. He thinks he's big. He thinks he's a bull. All righty.
Tired of boat flipping these things?
Yeah. I want to sit there. Get the net, Charles.
Right. I want to get the net.
Yeah. I might have to wait till after lunch before we can say that. All right, guys. There's another redfish right there. Yeah, there's another one. I guarantee you he's not going to be that big. I'm going to put him on the measure device here. He's probably going to be about 16 inches probably. And let's see what he is. Yeah, I called it, just a hair over 16 inches. That's been the story of the day right there. Yeah. 15 to 17. Yeah. All right, guys, I got something right here. Don't know what it is yet.
We're hoping it's a slot redfish.
It's a redfish, but I don't think it's a slot.
We're still playing the same.
Yeah, I don't know what it is with these small fish.
They're in here thick, ain't
Yeah.
I thought you had one for us.
Yeah, I was hoping, man. I was hoping. Yeah.
Can't say we ain't catching fish today.
This is crazy, Charles, catching all these little ones. You know?
Sure
Crazy. Usually on the spoon you catch good sized ones. All right, guys, there's another redfish, probably about 16 inches. You know?
You're tearing them rats up.
Yep.
That came through to tell us they love our videos.
Yeah.
I don't know who he's talking to, you or me.
Yeah, I don't know either. Okay. Alrighty. All right, guys, I'm hooked up, I believe, with a redfish.
Are you on? Am I on right here?
Yeah, you're going.
All right. CC's hooked up, y'all.
Pretty sure it's a redfish, the way he's fighting. Pretty sure. Yep. Kind of switch sides here, Charles.
Yeah, I'm getting a bite.
Okay. You like that ladyfish? Yeah, he's fighting hard. Pretty darn sure it's a red. The way he's fighting, pretty darn sure. I haven't seen him yet, but I think it's a redfish.
Yeah, you got my mind.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's a redfish. Nice one. Yeah. Yeah, I got your line. Well, Charles, if we can't catch a slot red, maybe we can catch an overslot.
We're definitely gonna catch an overslot.
Yeah. Grab that net, Charles.
Can I unwrap you?
I don't think so. I don't think it's gonna. It's too badly messed up. Yeah, grab that net. Yeah, let some slack out. Alrighty. All right, Charles. Yeah. Yeah. All right, guys. I got me a redfish. Our first good-sized redfish of the day. He's he's not a slot. He's an overslot.
Right. See if we can get this untangled.
Okay. Let's see here. Let's see how long he is. Okay. He is 31 inches.
31.
There he is, guys. A nice one. Yeah, one spot on this side, one spot on the other side. Yeah. All right, let me let him go. See ya, dude. There he goes. Okay, ready. All right, guys, hooked up with something here.
All right, CC's on another one.
Don't know what it is. Don't know. It's not really taking a lot of line, Charles, so I don't know. I hope it ain't no darn catfish or a stingray.
It's moving up. It's head shaking though, isn't it?
I don't know, it's a weird little noise. It's a drum, a nice one.
Black drum.
Yeah, nice one too. Charles, get the net. Yeah, it's a nice black drum.
Yeah. Oh, about time.
Okay, I'll bring him around. What side you want to get him on? This side?
Matter. Yeah, I can get him over here.
Okay. Yeah, I got a little smaller hook. Well, strategy paid off, didn't it? That's what I said. Wait. Don't rush it. 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 I got a small hook. It'll tear out. Darn it. It's fighting. That's how them drum do. They wait till you get right to the boat, then they fight like hell. Don't they?
Drumming too?
Yeah. Wait. Darn it. He's fighting, Charles. No, he'll get off. Yeah. Okay, Charles. Now you can get him. Got him?
No. I just got whacked in the face.
Okay, you got him now?
Go. Yeah.
All right. All right, guys. There's a nice black drum. Oops, let me stand up here. Nice black drum right there. Yeah, shoot ya. Yeah. You might want to kind of move that one rod out of the way, Charles. That's sitting in the rod holder. It's kind of close there. Move it back or lay it down in front. All right, guys, there's a nice slot-sized black drum right there.
Nice.
Gave me a good fight. Shoot ya.
Shoot ya.
That's a nice slot fish right there. Yeah, if we were keeping fish, that'd be a good eating fish right there. Yeah. His tail's a little messed up though. But it didn't mess up him fighting though, did it?
Fighting like hell.
Yeah.
He's fighting like hell.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna let it go. See ya.
Hook him in the mouth. We hooked up.
All right, guys, Charles has got something. What you got there, Charles?
Like an old trout.
Get you. Oh yeah, nice trout. Can you boat flip them or net them? Yeah, that's a
that
keeper
might be a
trout.
keeper.
Yeah, that's a legal trout right there. I guarantee it.
That
We might have to hang out here a little bit longer.
He might be ready to bite.
I
boy.
guarantee you that's a pretty. That's a keeper right there. Yeah, measure him right there and see. But don't let him jump away though.
Sound like he's fart.
Oh yeah, he's easily a keeper. He's almost 16 inches. Yeah. All right, guys. Charles just got him a nice legal spotted sea trout. Well, the target species, what we were trying to catch in this spot.
16, 17 inches?
He was about 16 inches. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. All right. Way to
Let's
go,
get
man.
another one.
Yep. Throw him back. Let's get another one. All right, man.
We got us a keeper.
Yep. Sure did. All right, guys. Hooked up with something.
Hooked up.
Well, that's a flounder. It's a flat guy.
We got a flounder.
Got a flat guy. Let's see if we can get him.
All we gotta do is boat flip him in, right?
Yeah. Oh, okay, we got them.
That might be a keeper.
Yeah.
think that's 14?
Eh,
Close.
probably 13 probably. Probably.
Hit it before the drop off?
Yeah. Ouch. Oh man, he about bit me. He liked that jig.
Oh, you put that down. It's gonna get out.
Mm-mm.
There goes our buddy in the plane.
Come on, open up your mouth. Charles, help me with this. Try to get that sucker out. I'm gonna hold his mouth open and you use that pliers there. You can get it out. It's just, I can't, he closes his mouth and I can't. Okay. There we go. Yeah, you got it. Yeah, all right. All right, let's see how long he is. Oh, he is a keeper flounder. Yeah, he's bigger than I thought.
Let's keep him.
You want to?
Yeah, I must keep him for my mom.
Okay, yeah, he's right at 14. Okay. All right, I'm gonna put him in here. Actually, let me show him off here.
Yeah, show him this time.
Okay. All right, guys, there's a 14-inch flounder right there.
We on 'em
14-inch
today.
flat guy.
We on them today.
Yep, all right, come over here. All right, hooked up, Charles, with something here. That's another flat guy.
You got a flounder, guys. He's on 'em.
Small one, but it's a flounder. Oh, and he fell off right at the boat.
That was lucky.
Yeah, he ain't that big though. He's a little 12-incher probably, if that. Let's see here. Yeah, he's 12.5 inches. All right, guys, there's a little 12.5 inch flounder I just caught. Yeah.
Flounder was
Yeah. All right, guys, got something. Oh, another flat guy. Yep. Now he's fighting. He didn't fight none at all until I got him in the boat. Stop jumping around. Hit that mud minnow. Stop it. I'll let you go. You ain't big enough to keep. All right. He's trying to hook me. Stop it. Okay. How big is he? And he is 12.5 inches. No, another little flat guy. 12.5 inches, guys. Yeah. See ya. All right, guys, hooked up. What I got here. I think it's another flat guy. Might be a keeper. This one might be. Oh yeah, I believe that's keeper there. Yeah, Charles.
C.C. on another keeper flounder.
I'm pretty darn sure. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That was on the mud minnow again.
Was it?
Yeah. Boy, you got hooked good. Okay. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh yeah. He's almost 15 inches. All right, guys. Ooh, another keeper flounder there. Yeah. Yeah, there he is right there. Almost 15 inches.
C.C. got him another one.
That'll work. Yeah. I put him in the cooler for your mom. All right, guys, I got something here. I don't know what it is. Fighting. I don't know. It might be a flounder. It's acting weird. I'm not sure what it is. Yeah. It's taking drag. I don't know. I don't know what it is. Yeah, go ahead and get ready with the net, whatever, yeah. I don't know, Charles.
Still haven't seen it?
I haven't seen it yet, no. About to.
Redfish, I think.
Don't know.
I think it's a red.
I hope it ain't no damn stingray. The little glimpse that I got looked like it might have been a stingray.
Really? I thought I saw a tail.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Thought I saw a stingray tail.
Like a tail like that.
Yeah. I hope I'm wrong,
I
but
hope you're wrong too.
yeah.
But he is making some weird runs.
Yeah. Well, there's a little jiggle. I don't know what. Darn it. I can't even seen him yet. I get it. I get where I can almost see him. And then I don't know. There, I almost saw him again, and then he took off again. Oh, did you see him there?
No, I didn't get too much glare.
Yeah.
Is that a carp in that one?
I don't know. I didn't see it.
It was big, whatever it is, and it didn't pop back up. But it was worth it. Like the
Make sure, damn. Make sure you're not in the way of the camera, Charles. See, I'm gonna fight this current too. Redfish, a nice one.
I told you.
Wow, Charles.
I seen.
That's a slot fish. Man, I can't believe how hard this thing's been fighting.
I was like, I thought I seen a torpedo.
Yeah. Man, this slick sucker's fighting like forever.
That little hole
Yeah.
catching hell.
Gosh almighty. Not yet. No, don't lunge for him, Charles. I'll tell you when. I'll tell you when. This sucker's got plenty of life left in him still. You know.
Low back.
Yeah, I'll tell you when. Okay, I think you can get him now. Get him. Get him.
Go.
Get him. All right. Yeah, we got us a nice slot red.
It only
Shoot,
took
yeah.
30 minutes, but we got his ass.
Yeah, we got him. All right, Charles. That'll work. That will work. I feel a little bit better now after losing that flounder. Man, that sucker fought like a son of a gun. Didn't he? Alrighty. All right, guys, that's a nice slot redfish I caught right there. Pretty sure he's slot. Let me measure him and see how big he is. I'm pretty sure that's a slotter though. What do you think, Charles? Oh yeah, that's upper slot fish. That fish is, yeah, he's over 26 inches. Yeah. All right, Charles, get in here with me.
You know.
All right, guys.
Fight.
Yeah, nice 26-inch slot redfish right there. Gave me a real good fight. Man, fought like a son of a gun, didn't he?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Using that current and everything.
Yeah, there he is right there. Yeah. All right, let's get yours in front of your camera now. All right, guys. There she goes. All right, yeah. All right, guys, I'm hooked up with something here. Don't know what it is, but he's fighting pretty good. It's a little redfish. It's a little redfish. You got one too, Charles?
Oh shit, I got something. You fight hard, dude.
Okay, I got mine.
I got a redfish. He hit that mud bin.
You got a redfish too?
Yep. No, isn't a redfish yet?
Yeah.
Jump your ass up there. You doubled up.
Yeah.
Finally.
Yeah.
It took us all day to double up.
Yeah.
They ain't huge for this thing.
Yeah. We'll hold them in front of the camera anyway. All right, Charles.
All right.
We both caught a couple little redfish here at the same time. Yeah, there they are. A couple little guys.
They must have been schooling buddies.
Yeah.
Schoolmates.
Yeah. We've been catching a lot of these little guys in here, haven't we?
Oh yeah, I don't know how, we've caught a lot today.
A ton of these size, yeah. Let's chunk them back. All right, guys, I'm hooked up with something here. Stripping a little bit of drag there. What do we have? I think it's a redfish. Ain't that big, but he thinks he's big. Yeah, he thinks he's big. Got a blue tail. Yeah. Let's see if I can boat flip him. I might be able to boat flip him, and I boat flipped him. I got him. All right. I got you. Let's see what we got here. A little over 17 inches. There's one little over 17 inches, guys. And we've been catching the devil out of this size, haven't we? Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Up, grow up. We'll catch you when you're bigger.
Hook them in the mouth. We hooked up, y'all.
All right, guys. Charles is hooked up with something here. What do we got here, Charles? Sneak in here behind you. Fighting pretty good. What do we got? Oh, that's a nicer black drum there. That's a legal black drum there. That's a nice one, Charles. Yeah. Yeah, oh yeah. That's a nice one. Oh yes, I'll use the net on that one. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna grab the net here, Charles.
Black drum act like they want to do some shit now.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a good size one there. We'll take him, won't we?
Oh yeah, every time.
Yeah.
Especially if they're pulling drag.
Yeah.
Yeah. He ain't a red drum, but I'll take him.
Oh yeah. You want to keep him for your mom?
Yeah.
Okay. Flounder? Okay.
So she can make sashimi.
Oh, okay. And he's giving you a scrap, isn't he?
Always by the boat, like you said.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got him.
That's dang.
All right, Charles. There you go, my friend.
Thank you.
Let's measure him. See here. I'm pretty sure that's a legal fish.
Isn't this my second nice size black drum?
Yeah. Yeah, I guarantee you that's a legal one. Oh yeah.
Oh,
Well,
he's 19 and a half.
He's 19 inches long. Yeah. Let me get in here with you. Nice black drum that Charles just caught.
There
Shoot
he
ya.
is.
All right,
Where's
man.
he at?
He's right there.
That's right, baby.
Chug him back,
Let
Charles.
me chuck him over here.
Okay. All right. Way to go, my man. Yeah.
He went right back to the spot.
Yeah, shoot ya. Well, guys, that was another fun day fishing in St. Augustine. Anytime Charles and I get together, we always have a good time out there. And we usually catch some pretty nice fish. Like I've said before, if y'all ever get a chance to fish this place, you definitely need to do so because the fishing's great for a wide range of saltwater fish. All right, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, The North Florida Angler. Also, make sure and check out Charles's channel, Hook 'em in the Mouth Kayak Fishing. Until next time, tight lines, good fishing, and we'll see you out in the water.